Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new over here, I'm Sudha. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to watch more such videos and please hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. So yeah, I think you guys must have guessed it by now. I'm going to be reviewing and swatching the extended range of Nykaa's MAITHILI liquid lipsticks. So they have actually launched 8 new shades. The shades that I bought are KASHI, MAITHILI, RUKMINI and KAVERI. The shade that I'm wearing is KAVERI, a beautiful fuchsia pink, a favorite from the collection. And the other shade which I'm obsessed with is KASHI, a beautiful pinky mauve nude. These colors are literally everything, so beautiful guys. So they are superior matte all day wear formula, enriched with vitamin E and antioxidants, kiss proof, feather proof and transfer proof wear, no preservatives, cruelty free, paraben free. What more can you ask for? If you have used any Nykaa's MAITHILI liquid lipsticks, you must be knowing by now that formula is pretty amazing. Their consistency is super thin and you cannot feel like you're wearing a lipstick at all. And they are retailed for $590 each. You get a 5 ml of product. They have actually increased their price range. They were retailed at $550 each before. So I actually got the Nykaa Gel Shine Nail Lacquer in the shade Japanese Blossom as a freebie for buying these lipsticks from Nykaa. To see the detailed review of these liquid lipsticks, please click on the link that you see in my description box down below, which will take you to one of my previous videos briefing the same and swatching them. I can't wait to swatch them for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.